And for this here, I searched for VS Code to find the Visual Studio Code homepage. And that's important. We need Visual Studio Code, not just Visual Studio, which would be another editor. We want Visual Studio Code. And as I said, that's a free editor which you can install for free for your operating system. It's available for all operating systems. And you can simply download the installer here on code.visualstudio.com and then walk through that installer once you downloaded it. Now, I already did install it, so I will switch right into it. Here I am. I opened a brand new empty window in Visual Studio Code. And in here, you can first of all tweak it such that it looks the way you want it to look. Under Preferences Color Theme, you can, for example, switch the color theme. And I'll stick to the dark plus theme here. And then, very important, you should also go to View Extensions or use the shortcut you see here. And then there, search for Go. I have a bunch of other extensions installed as well, but here for this course, we only need the Go extension. Make sure you install this extension here from the Go team at Google, since this is an extension that will give you great Go support. It will help you write Go code and it will make your life a lot easier. So click Install here to install this extension. And once you did that, you are ready to write some Go code, and you can go back to the Explorer with View Explorer or this shortcut which is shown here. I will also tweak the overall look here a little bit and disable this activity bar on the left. And also disable this status bar at the bottom, but that is up to you. And now here I'll open a new folder on my system, a folder which I created in advance and named Go Complete Guide. You can name the folder however you want. And I'll open that folder here into Visual Studio Code so that it's open here on the left, and we can now start adding Go code files to this folder. And here we will now add our first Go file in the next lecture and see how we can write some basic Go code and how we can finish the configuration of our development setup.